एक डाल दो पंछी रे बैठा, कौन गुरु कौन चेला। ओ
एक डाल दो पंछी रे बैठा, कौन गुरु कौन चेला। ओ
अरे गुरु की करनी गुरु भरेगा,
गुरु की करनी गुरु भरेगा।
अरे चेला की करनी चेला रे साधो भाई उड़ जा हंस अकेला। ओ
एक डाल दो पंछी रे बैठा, कौन गुरु कौन चेला।
अरे माटी चुन चुन महल बनाया, लोग कहे घर मेरा। ओ
माटी चुन चुन महल बनाया, लोग कहे घर मेरा।
अरे ना घर तेरा ना घर मेरा,
ना घर तेरा ना घर मेरा।
चिड़िया रेल बसेरा रे साधो भाई उड़ जा हंस अकेला। ओ
एक डाल दो पंछी रे बैठा, कौन गुरु कौन चेला।
अरे मात कहे ये पुत्र हमारा, बहन कहे ये वीरा। ओ
मात कहे ये पुत्र हमारा, बहन कहे ये वीरा।
अरे भाई कहे ये भुजा हमारी,
भाई कहे ये भुजा हमारी।
अरे नारी कहे नर मेरा रे साधो भाई उड़ जा हंस अकेला। ओ
एक डाल दो पंछी रे बैठा, कौन गुरु कौन चेला।
To know what you know and what you do not know. That is true knowledge. Namaste. I, Hiya Modi, the host for the day, welcome you all to the morning assembly on behalf of the TGS family. Today is 5th of September 2020 Saturday. અને ગુજરાતી કેલેન્ડર પ્રમાણે ભાદરવા વદ ત્રીજ છે. True devotion means becoming the hand of the divine. Whatever comes your way, you will know how to transform it into something beautiful. With this thought, let us all join our hands and pray to the Almighty.
जीवन का मर्म और मनुष्य देह का धर्म क्या है, उसका ज्ञान गुरु के चरणों में जाकर ही मिलता है। प्रस्तुत रचना में मीराबाई ने पूर्ण पुरुषोत्तम कृष्ण भगवान को ही अपना गुरु मान लिया है और कहा है, मोहे लागी लगन गुरु चरणन की, क्योंकि चरण बिना मोहे कछु नहीं भावे, बाकी सब माया है। और कहा है, भवसागर भले ही सूख गया है, मगर कृष्ण भगवान ने मेरा हाथ पकड़ा हुआ है, तो मुझे तैरने की या डूबने की चिंता ही नहीं है। आइए सुनते हैं।
मोहे
Today's reciters are Prasu, Nandini and Param, followed by a song by Akshuptika and a dance performance by Feni, Suchi and Tanvi. Today is a very special day, Teachers' Day. It is a day to acknowledge, to recognize, to pay tribute to our beloved teachers for their contribution to the growth and development of our nation. I would like to invite Param Javak to elaborate on the same.
नमस्ते। गुरु गोबिंद दऊ खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपनो जिन गोविंद दियो बताए। If God and my teacher stand together, whom should I bow down to first? I should bow down to my teacher first, for it is through them that I've had the privilege of seeing God. This was the regard Saint Kabir had for teachers, and this is the ever-prevailing truth of our universe. Teachers' Day is an important day for everyone. It celebrates the transformative role of a teacher which they play in a student's life. 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day, for it is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a teacher before he stepped into politics. Dr. Radhakrishnan's students wanted to celebrate his birthday when he became the President of India. Great man as he was, he asked them to mark it as a day to celebrate teachers. This is how we got one of the most important days on our calendar, Teachers' Day.
God has gifted us with two sets of parents. One who teach us how to dream, and second who teaches the meaning behind our dreams. Akshuptika Korat brings to us a beautiful song reflecting this sentiment. teachers for teaching us values and making us who we are. I invite Nandini Joshi to express our indebtedness with a thank you.
Namaste. I'm Nandini Joshi from Standard 10G. Dear teachers, a few years ago my sister entered kindergarten. She came in knowing a few letters. That's about it. But by the end of the year, she could put together entire words and sentences. She knew the language as a playground and reading as a chance to explore it. I don't quite understand the concepts of learning and bonding and sight words, but you do. And because of that, miraculously every single day, millions of kids around the world learn how to speak because of a teacher. Right now, there is a teacher thinking about his students, dreaming about ways to make them feel more comfortable and welcome. There is a language teacher who is taking time off lunch hours, those blessed few minutes, to help a student read. The progress might be slow, but someday the student might become a reader. And for every time he or she reads something correctly, it would be thanks to that teacher. And there is a maths teacher that started out with a class full of students that claimed that maths just wasn't for them. But now, they are geeking out on ways to solve complex problems, learning that maths can be fun and creative. They have become problem solvers because of a teacher. And there is a science teacher that inspires the students to chase after questions until they find the answers. And when they begin finding the answers, it would be thanks to that teacher. For every achievement one has in his or her life, there is a teacher to thank. A teacher that believed, a teacher that never gave up. Our minds have been infused with your spark. You have shaped the little monkeys that ran into your class into responsible, upright humans. You have made me truly believe, as Khalil Gibran says, a teacher who is indeed wise does not invite you to the house of his wisdom, but rather leads you to the threshold of your mind. You have been my guide to the inception of my own mind. And for that, armed with every single word you have ever taught me, I stand here unable to find the right ones to express my gratitude. But nevertheless, thank you, teachers. Thank you.
Next, we have a very special performance by Swara Oza and Kia Daftari, singing one of the very famous songs of all times, To Serve with Love, a golden song for all the teachers. This song expresses gratitude and love for a teacher who touches the students' lives and opens up the world for them.
Those schoolgirl days of telling tales and biting nails are gone, but in my mind I know they will still live on and on. But how do you think someone who has taken you from crayons to perfume? It isn't easy, but I'll try. If you want in the sky, I will ride across the sky. Letters that will soar 1,000 feet high to serve with love. The time has come for clothes and books, and long last looks must end. with love.
આપણી સંસ્કૃતિ અને ધર્મનો પાયો જ્ઞાન છે. જ્ઞાન મેળવવા માટે ગુરુનું હોવું અતિ આવશ્યક છે. ગુરુ બિન નહીં જ્ઞાન. ગુરુ એ તો એક જીવનશિલ્પી મહાપુરુષ છે જેમની અંદર પ્રકાશની શોધ પેદા થાય છે. તેવા ગુરુની વ્યાખ્યા રજૂ કરશે રાસુ ચાંગેલા.
શિક્ષકની વ્યાખ્યા. ચાલને એક શિક્ષકની વ્યાખ્યા કહી દઉં. અંધકારથી ઉજાસ તરફ લઈ જનાર એક વ્યક્તિ બતાવી દઉં. અંધકારથી ઉજાસ તરફ લઈ જનાર એક વ્યક્તિ બતાવી દઉં. હે શિષ્ય, તારા દુર્ગુણોને પણ સાફ કરી દઉં. એમાં સુવર્ણ અક્ષરે તારું ઉજળું ભવિષ્ય લખી દઉં. 18 વર્ણ સરખા કરી એકતાનો દાખલો ગણાવી દઉં. જીવન તો બધા જ જીવી જાણે છે, પણ કેમ જીવવું એ શીખવાડી દઉં. નોકરી પાછળ તો બધા ભાગે છે, દોસ્ત. પણ ચાલને તને એક સારો માણસ જ બનાવી દઉં. અભણ છે માત પિતા તો કઈ વાંધો નહીં. તારી આવનારી પેઢીમાં શિક્ષણની ભાવના જગાડી દઉં. તારા દુર્ગુણોનો ભાંગાકાર કરી તારી સારી વાતોને શેષ કાઢી લઉં. બનશે કોઈ સારો વ્યક્તિ સમાજમાં તો મારો કોલર ઊંચો કરી લઉં. શિક્ષણ વ્યવસાય નથી એ વાત તો મારાથી જ સ્વીકારી લઉં. નયન મને એ વાત લખાય છે, શિક્ષક મહાન છે. આજ એ વાત કહી દઉં. આભાર.
Quoting Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the sign of true knowledge is courage. And during these trying times, it is our teachers who lend us courage and lead us by the hand, making sure that the storm at sea does not sink our boat. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said in one of his speeches, "When there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is order in the nation. When there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world." Now we have to think, who brings righteousness in the heart? Who teaches us the difference between right and wrong? Our teachers. A great teacher is one that learns with the students along with shaping them. Indian history holds one of the greatest examples of teachers. There was Krishna, who imparted the Gyan of the Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. Buddha, who taught self-discipline to his students. And then there are present examples. Warren Buffett's teacher Ben Graham and Mark Zuckerberg and Bill Gates' teacher Harry Lewis. In the end, I would like to quote Acharya Mahapragya. जीवन में सबसे अधिक किसकी जरूरत है? अन्न की जरूरत है, जल की जरूरत है. योग में श्वास की सबसे अधिक जरूरत है. उससे भी आगे किसकी जरूरत है? वह कौन हो सकता है? इस प्रश्न का उत्तर होगा गुरु की जरूरत है. I would like to invite Suchi Dobaria, Tanvi Raichura and Feni Surani to present a Kathak performance in tribute of our teachers.
Guru Vishnu फैलाए, आशाओं के बादल छाए, कोई उमंग है ये जिंदगी रे।
धरती का आंचल ओढ़े, दिल से दिल के धागे जोड़े, बांटे जहां में अपनी खुशी रे।
प्रीत की रीत सिखाते हुए झिलमिलाते हैं पर्दों पे हम।
दिलों में प्यार की ज्योति जगाते हुए, आ जाओ मिलके हम तुम ये कहें।
India is the one land that all men desire to see. And having seen once, even by a glimpse, would not give that up for all of the shores of the rest of the globe combined. Keeping this beautiful thought in mind, let us all rise up for the national anthem. Assembly Saavdhan.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Assembly Vishram. Once again, we bow down to the dedication and unflinching determination of the teachers in being such a tremendous force in guiding us. I request respected Kiran sir to share his thoughts.
Thank you. Nishkam Karma and Nishkam Karmis. In ancient times, Raja Maharajas, they created a situation in which teachers could actually be passionately detached. Make no connection between what they gave and what they received. And that's what the Gita identifies as excellence in teaching. That when a guru gives of himself or herself to their maximum ability without any thought of reward, that's when we say that they are Nishkam Karmis. Nishkam Karma obviously is selfless action, desireless action. So in a situation in which a transaction occurs, that you give something in order to get something, in that type of environment, Nishkam Karma, the type of environment and the type of action that you want from teachers is almost impossible to attain. When the government pays teachers and parents and students receive free education, there is the opportunity for a large number of teachers to be Nishkam Karmis. Regrettably, not as many of them as we would expect take the opportunity to realize the ideals enshrined in the Gita. There are Nishkam Karmis in the private sector and in the government school sector as well. And they exemplify the type of attitude and approach that teachers take into their profession. We in TGS are fortunate that we have these transformational teachers as opposed to the transactional teachers that is such a common occurrence in schools today. So, is it possible that in our private sector setting, we can create a situation in which teachers can aim all their actions towards being desireless and living simply for the benefit of their students, because they know that their families are going to be taken care of, their finances are going to be taken care of in the present and in the future. Because when you are a Nishkam Karmi, you are also worrying about what happens after you retire. And so organizations like ours must now begin to think that teaching as a profession is something that you never retire from. And institutions don't retire teachers, they simply find anything and everything that a teacher can contribute and continue to keep them within the organization. And to look after teachers who have given their entire lives to the benefit of students and the institution, even in their old age. Is it possible for us to be that type of institution? Is it possible that we, parents, the institution and the students get together and create this ideal situation for teachers so that they can be true Nishkam Karmis for the benefit of our students? Only when that happens will our students receive the maximum. So that is a goal worth pursuing. Today is a great day to think about such things. Zara socho.
નમસ્તે. દરેકના જીવનમાં એક સાચો ગુરુ હોય છે જે પોતાના શિષ્યોને સાચો રસ્તો અને સાચો માર્ગ બતાવે છે. ખૂબ જ પ્રાચીન ભજન આટલો જન્મ સુધારો, ગુરુજી મારો આટલો જન્મ સુધારો. આ પ્રાચીન ભજનમાં ગુરુ માટે સુંદર ભાવ રજૂ થયો છે કે અમારા અંતરના આત્મામાં રહેલી શક્તિઓને જે ઓળખાવે એ ગુરુને સાક્ષાત વંદન.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े किसको लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरुदेव के तूने गोविंद दियो बताए. जय गुरुदेव, जय गुरुदेव.